Welcome in once again to Bitcoin Climate, where we observe the climatic pulse and forecast of Bitcoin during the past few days. Welcome in, guys. Immediately, let's start off with the crypto fear and greed index for Bitcoin, guys. As we can see here, we have the greed. It's currently at greed at 55. Last week, it was even more greedy at 65. But right now, we've gone down a little bit. We failed to make a new local high above 69, so that's very important. I mean, we might just be continuing the downtrend if we break 40 below 41 in the next couple of days to week. So we'll definitely keep you guys informed. Here we see Bitcoin's current price at $30,250. It is down. I mean, it's up 0.50% and down 1% for the last 24 hours and 7 days or week, or the last week respectively. So not too many moves. For Bitcoin for the past 7 days overall, we can see it's healthy at $587 billion market cap. And, volume is pretty low. Wow, only almost $8 billion. Wow, that is not a lot. Not a lot of volume as of late. And when you have low volume heading into resistance, that is not usually a good sign. But let's actually check the charts to see what we can find out. But before we do, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Click right here. It really does help out the channel. Click the bell to stay tuned for our new videos as well. And also press the like button. It really does help out the channel and the algorithm to find other investors just like you guys. And then we have a free educational playlist for you guys. Link in the description down below. So many great, crypto themed videos. A lot of, the metaverse, CBDCs, the Web3, just so many great videos there for you guys to look at. So make sure you keep that in mind. Then we see the charts here. Wow, this candle, look at that sell wick, massive sell pressure there. On that day a couple of days ago off the 31,500 local high there that we made in price. And now we just find ourselves ranging between 29,000 and 30,000 essentially. But all in all, Bitcoin continues to hold strong above here, guys. That's pretty impressive. It continues to hold strong after this massive upswing move, volatile move, bullish move off the $25,000 support, guys. Wow. Excuse me. Bitcoin, just doesn't stop impressing, the world, just holding strong. Wow, it's just incredible. And as we can see here, there's a cross on the daily stochastic RSI as well up. So that might continue the uptrend to pierce the previous local highs here. So we'll see if this cross holds strong. All in all, we're in a downtrend in the RSI. So we'll see what Bitcoin's going to decide to do in the next couple of days. It'll be exciting. On the weekly note, we do see same deal. Weekly had that massive weekly candle from 25,000 to 30, essentially a $5,000 move in the past 2 weeks. That was a couple of weeks ago for Bitcoin's price here, just consolidating above the $29,000, $30,000 area that used to be previous resistance, now attempting to turn it into support. If we put this right here, for example, yes, right there is more clear. It's even better. It's just attempting to hold that key level as support before possibly going to 35,000 and even 40,000, in the next couple of weeks. So keep that in mind. I mean, we're continue to hold this 21 weekly moving average as support, as we can see there with the bounce. So that's really bullish for Bitcoin. Same chart weekly, but we do see the RSI pumping strong. I mean, this is it. We have to see if it's gonna, cross back down and have that next leg down, or if it's gonna continue up above the 80 to confirm the continuation of this uptrend since, the beginning of this year. It's crazy, man. Bitcoin has been strong. It just needs to make a decision. Are we gonna consolidate a little bit like this for the next couple of weeks, or are we gonna pump above the previous local high once again, with this new impulse by the stochastic RSI? So guys, Bitcoin continues to hold strong, continues to dominate the altcoins. I mean, heading into the the latter half of 2023. So we'll see if it's going to continue to hold. We'll definitely keep you updated with our weekly updates on the channel. Guys, link in the description down below by any chance if you need investment tools and resources, for you guys right here. And I want to thank you so much for your time, for your support, and for your attention. Hope you guys have a good one.